Welcome back to Planet Chuckle. Tonight we're surfing the wild waves of the digital world.
First up, we're diving into the Readyverse, Ernest Cline's new digital universe for Ready Player One. It's like your favorite book, but you can actually live in it.
Then, Chiliz is teaming up with Rarible Protocol. Think custom NFT marketplaces and sport-fi dApps. It's a match made in crypto heaven.
Get your snow boots ready because we're heading to the Sandbox for season's greetings. A festive blast with a whopping 600,000 sand reward pool.
We're also talking about BlackRock and VanEck's Bitcoin ETF rush and how the SEC is keeping them on their toes.
Visa's up next with their new Web3 Loyalty Engagement Solution. Because who needs points when you can get digital collectibles, right?
And we can't forget the Museum of Science in Boston. They're launching Mission Mars in Roblox. It's like a field trip to Mars, but from your couch.
Lastly, Logan Paul's CryptoZoo NFT drama. Refunds, lawsuits, and a whole lot of crypto chaos.
So buckle up, Chucklers. We're about to take you on a hilarious ride through the digital universe. Get ready for a digital adventure, folks. Ernest Cline, the brain behind Ready Player One, and producer Dan Farah are teaming up with Futureverse to create a Metaverse version of the story. They're launching Readyverse Studios for this massive project.
A Ready Player One Metaverse? I'm already looking for my VR goggles. They're promising a world of interconnected digital experiences. It's like every gamer's dream come true, with a sprinkle of sci-fi magic.
And there's more. They've got Warner Bros. Discovery on board to bring the franchise to the Metaverse exclusively. Plus, all of Cline's future works are going Web3.
Talk about going full throttle into the future. They're already chatting with big studios for collaborations. Imagine stepping into your favourite movie, but this time, in the Metaverse.
Futureverse says the Readyverse will stand for open metaverse values like interoperability and community ownership. It's not just a game, it's a whole new digital frontier. Here's something for the crypto crowd. Chiliz is joining forces with Rarible Protocol to spark a new era in NFT marketplaces on the Chiliz chain. It's all about custom NFT marketplaces and digital collectibles.
Custom NFT marketplaces. Sounds like a DIY dream for digital collectors. And with SportFi dApps and wallets getting real-time NFT data access, it's like having a sports ticker for your digital assets.
Rarible's bringing its decentralized toolkit to the table too. Multi-chain aggregation, enforced royalties, and fast indexing. It's a Swiss Army knife for NFTs.
And talk about cost-effective low gas fees and a fee-splitting feature. My wallet's already feeling lighter.
Chiliz says it's all about an efficient, user-friendly NFT experience. With Rarible's tech and Chiliz's vision, they're set to make some serious waves in the NFT world. Hey, holiday fans! The Sandbox is bringing the festive spirit with their Season's Greetings event. It's a winter wonderland in the virtual world, featuring 60 experiences and a massive 600,000 sand reward pool. There's something for everyone, from quest lovers to land and avatar owners.
Talk about a holiday bonanza, and they've teamed up with some big names like The Walking Dead, Playboy, and even Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen. I'm just hoping the virtual turkeys are easier to cook.
And the rewards? They're going all out. Catalysts for landowners and sand pools for everyone. Avatar owners, landowners, they're spreading the holiday cheer everywhere.
To grab those rewards, you'll need to complete 200 quests and have a verified account. And if you're eyeing that NFT-related prize, better keep that NFT safe in your wallet till the end.
The Sandbox is really decking the halls this season. Who knew the holidays could be so rewarding? In the world of finance, BlackRock and VanEck are stirring things up. They're among 13 firms aiming to launch Bitcoin ETFs in the US, and they just filed updated documents with some intriguing changes.
ETFs for Bitcoin. That's like giving digital gold a fancy suit and tie. But it's not all smooth sailing. They're tweaking their documents to keep shareholders safe in case of insolvency and avoid conflicts of interest.
The SEC's been super active, responding to these filings within 24 hours. It's like regulatory ping pong.
And get this, the SEC might give the green light to all the applications this week. Talk about a deadline rush. They're facing a January 10th, 2024 deadline for one of the applications, and it seems they're aiming for fairness by approving them all together.
Visa is stepping into the future with its new Web3 Loyalty Engagement Solution. They're transforming customer engagement by bringing loyalty programs into the digital and virtual realms. Think gamified giveaways, augmented reality treasure hunts, and innovative ways to earn and use loyalty points.
It's like your credit card points got a virtual reality upgrade. Why just collect points when you can hunt for digital treasures? This isn't just about buying stuff. It's about fun and immersive experiences.
Visa's partnering with smart media technologies for this. They're bridging the gap between Web 2 and Web 3, creating customized experiences that are as rewarding as they are fun.
So, the next time you're earning points, it could be for something cool, like a digital collectible or a virtual adventure. Visa's really changing the game on how we think about rewards.
The Museum of Science in Boston is launching into the Metaverse with its Roblox adventure, Mission Mars. It's a leap into immersive online education where you get to design Mars vehicles and explore the Red Planet.
Mars rovers in Roblox. Sign me up! It's like playing in a giant digital sandbox, but on Mars. They're making science fun with high-tech exploration and even vehicle design. I wonder if they need a test pilot.
This is part of the Roblox Community Funds initiative, and the Museum of Science is the first to launch an experience since the funds start. They're all about making STEM education more accessible and engaging.
Breaking barriers in education and racing on Mars? The museum's goal is to reach 100 million people by 2030, and with this kind of fun, they just might do it.
In the latest crypto twist, Logan Paul and CryptoZoo are launching a buyback program for their base egg and base animal NFTs. They're offering refunds to the tune of $2.3 million to holders. Talk about an expensive omelet. But hey, at least they're trying to make things right after the game didn't launch. It's like saying, sorry for the party, here's your coat back.
Adding to the drama, there's a lawsuit against internal saboteurs. This follows a deep dive investigation into blockchain activities and communications. It's like a crypto soap opera.
Sadly, the CryptoZoo game itself is a no-go, thanks to regulatory roadblocks and development issues. Even with a $400,000 investment, it just couldn't hatch. For those looking to claim their refunds, better be quick. The window for claims is just a month. It's a chance for some closure for the Web3 community and minters, even if it's not the ending they hoped for. And that's our whirlwind tour of the digital world for tonight on Planet Chuckle. From metaverses to crypto, we've covered it all!
Remember, whether you're roaming Mars in Roblox or diving into the world of NFTs, always find time to laugh.
Thanks for joining us on this digital odyssey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on these techie tales in the comments.
Stay tuned for more crazy news from the world of blockchain, metaverse, and beyond.